What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to update your Windows 11 PC. All you have to do is right click on the Windows icon on your taskbar and just click on settings. Once you're inside settings, click on Windows Update on the left hand side and you will see the Windows updates right here. So in case you already have updates, you will see that it's telling you that you will need to download and install them, or it may say restart now so that you can continue to update those different updates that are available. You can also go ahead and check where it shows advanced options. Once you click on that, you can see the option here in the list where it shows optional updates. If you see any optional updates right here available, you can click on them and you can install them if it's something that you want. So that's pretty much all that you have to do, guys. Go ahead and update your PC, ensure that your PC is up to date. If it requires restart, so that you can go ahead and continue update, do so that your PC will stay up to date. And that's it.